Hi, I'm Vicky from FEEJOY. Welcome to our headquarters. Today I will take you on a journey through FEEJOY and show you how we turn innovative ideas into reliable industrial measurement solutions. From R&D and precision manufacturing to quality inspection and global delivery, every step reflects our commitment to technology, quality, and customer success. This is our showroom where we showcase FEEJOY's complete range of industrial measurement solutions. Here you can explore our instrument for level, pressure, temperature, and flow measurement, designed to meet the diverse requirements of industries worldwide. With more than 170 intellectual property rights and certifications, FEEJOY continues to strengthen its technological capabilities and provide solutions that meet international standards. This process demonstration system shows how our instruments operate in real industrial environment. You can clearly see how each type of instrument performs in real-time measurement. Now let's move on to R&D Center and manufacturing facilities. This is our R&D Center where new product development begins. Here our engineers design and develop new products with the support of advanced CAD systems and simulation tools. Before prototype production, every product structure is carefully analyzed, simulated, and optimized to ensure reliability and performance. We also develop and test electronic circuits to guarantee signal accuracy, stability, and constant performance. Before mass production, every prototype goes through repeated laboratory testing and validation to ensure it meets FEEJOY's quality standards. Our technicians assemble each instrument according to standardized production procedures. Each product is laser marked with a unique identification code for complete traceability. Before packaging, every instrument undergoes strict quality inspection. This ensures constant quality and reliable performance. This is our testing laboratory, where we verify product performance and reliability. Here, instruments are tested under different environmental conditions, including extreme temperature conditions. Each device is carefully calibrated to ensure measurement accuracy. All testing results are recorded and analyzed to guarantee long-term reliability and continuous improvement. This is our smart warehouse, where products are systematically sorted and managed. With an efficient warehouse management system, we ensure accurate inventory control and faster order processing. Every order is carefully prepared according to customer requirements. Before shipment, products go through professional packing and labeling processes. Our logistics team ensures safe and efficient handling of every shipment. This guarantees that every product is delivered securely to our customers around the world. Thank you for joining us on this tour of FEEJOY. We are committed to delivering reliable and accurate industrial measurement solutions through continuous innovation, advanced manufacturing, and strict quality control. We look forward to working with you and building a successful partnership together. See you next time.